Wow! This giant green leaf is growing bigger and bigger right on our floor. Look! The leaf is curling up into a super long magic green slide.
Hurry up, team! Let's jump on the leaf and slide into the new adventure.
Whee! We are sliding so fast into the glowing magic book pages. Wow! I can see beautiful glowing flowers and flying bugs inside this light tunnel.
Hold your breath. We are flying out into a beautiful green world.
Oof! That was a very soft and bouncy landing on these giant yellow flowers.
Look everywhere. There are friendly giant dinosaurs walking around this amazing sunny valley.
Shh! Listen carefully. I hear a heavy pushing sound coming from the big ferns.
Come on, let's carefully walk over there and see what is happening.
Oh my! That cute little green dinosaur is pushing the glowing sunstone.
Whew! This glowing stone is way too heavy for my short little arms.
Hello, little friend. I am Mia. Why do you need this glowing rock?
Look up there. I need this sunstone to warm my unhatched baby egg.
Don't worry, Dodo. We are a family, and we will help you push it.
All right, team. Put your hands on the stone. 1, 2, 3. Push hard!
Ugh, this sunstone is so heavy, and the grass is very slippery.
Keep going, everyone. The warm light from the stone feels very nice.
Watch out for that giant bouncy root. Let's push it over together. Whew. We should take a short rest here. My legs are very tired. Look! There is a natural pool of fresh water. Let's drink some. Wow! This round pink rock looks like a perfect little chair for me.
I will sit down and rest my tired feet right now.
Help me! This pink thing is not a rock at all! Ouch! That was very silly, but at least the moss is super soft.
You flew up into the sky like a funny little bird, Ben.
Wow! This Bouncy Berry is amazing! I will carry it with us.
All right, fun is over. We must push the sunstone up this hill.
Look! A giant friendly dinosaur is eating leaves right above our heads.
Hello, big friend. We are moving this warm stone to a baby egg.
Oops! The Bouncy Berry is slipping right out of my hands.
Oh no! It is bouncing straight towards the giant dinosaur's face.
Uh-oh. I think the big dinosaur is gonna sneeze very hard.
Hold on tight. A giant wind is blowing us backwards down the hill.
Whew! That was a very strong sneeze, but we are completely safe.
The big dinosaur is licking Ben to say sorry for the sneeze.
Ew! Dinosaur spit is very sticky, but thank you, big friend.
Okay, team. Let's push the sunstone up this green hill again.
I will push as hard as I can for my little unhatched sibling.
Yay! We finally made it to the top of the slippery grass hill.
Harder, everyone! We can do this! Push with everything you've got!
Wow. The sunstone is glowing beautifully in this dark jungle tunnel.
Careful! We have to push the sunstone across this shallow river water.
This fresh forest water is very cold on my dirty toes.
Look over there. We are getting very close to the high, mossy nest. Oh my. The nest is so high up on that steep rock wall.
Listen, the poor little baby egg is shaking because it is very cold.
Hurry! We must push the heavy sunstone up this steep wall.
Ugh, it is not working. The stone is slipping back down to us.
Boo-hoo! I can never push it up there. My arms are too short.
I am completely useless. I am too small to protect my family.
Oh, poor Dodo. We must help him feel brave and happy again.
Come here, little buddy. We will sit down and stay with you.
Please don't cry, Dodo. You are a very sweet and caring brother.
Listen to me. Your body is small, but your heart is very big. Yes, and a big heart makes you strong enough to do anything.
We believe in you, Dodo. We will definitely find a clever, magic way.
Sniff. Thank you, everyone. I want to try again for my baby sibling.
Hooray! The brave Dodo is back. Let's solve this giant rock problem.
We need a special tool to throw the heavy stone up high.
Look! There is a long piece of flat wood lying on the ground.
Aha! I have a brilliant idea. Ben, where is your pink Bouncy Berry?
Here it is.
I kept it safe in my pocket the whole time.
Wow! We are making a magic seesaw to bounce the stone up high.
Careful now. Roll the heavy sunstone onto the bottom end of the wood.
Oh no! We need someone very heavy to jump on the other side.
Wait! I will call my big, friendly dinosaur neighbor to help us jump.
Look! A heavy triceratops is walking over here to help our rescue mission.
Please jump exactly on that empty wooden side with all your heavy weight.
Oh no! We need someone very heavy to jump on the other side. 1, 2, 3, jump up high and stomp down very super hard.
Wow! The pink Bouncy Berry is squished completely flat like a magic pancake.
Watch out! The glowing sunstone is flying up high into the air.
Hooray! The stone is making a perfect arc right over the tall wall.
Whew! It landed perfectly and safely right next to the high baby nest.
Yay! We did it! My big heart and your magic berry saved the day.
Thank you so much, Big Triceratops. Your heavy jump was absolutely amazing.
All right, team. Let's find a quick way to climb up to the nest.
Look! The big dinosaur is using its tail as a safe bridge for us. Come on, Dodo. Let's run up the tail bridge and warm the baby.
Wow! The view from this high, mossy ledge is incredibly beautiful and bright.
Let's carefully walk to the nest. The baby egg is still freezing.
Dodo, push the sunstone very close to the egg to share heat.
Look! The egg is stopping its shaking. The stone is warming it nicely.
Oh, the nest is just hard rock. We should build a softer bed.
Let's collect soft nature things to build the best dinosaur nest ever made.
Mia, pull out that green, soft moss over there for the baby's blanket.
Wow! This soft moss is like a green, fluffy pillow for the egg.
Carefully place the soft moss right under the heavy egg to protect it.
Ben, look for some big, thick leaves to block the cold, strong wind.
These big leaves are very tricky to carry, but I got them.
Perfect. Stick the big leaves around the edge to make a warm wall.
Dodo, gather those bright yellow flowers to make the nest look beautiful.
The baby will surely love these sweet-smelling yellow flowers so much.
Scatter the yellow flowers everywhere to welcome the new baby dinosaur today.
Now, push the warm sunstone closer so the heat fills the nest.
Wow! The warm stone is glowing and making the whole nest super cozy.
Thank you, family. My baby sibling is finally warm, happy, and fully protected.
You did a great job, Dodo. You are a very strong big brother.
Wait, the baby egg is not hatching yet. Maybe it needs more time. Shh. I will sing a gentle forest song to help the baby wake up.
That is a very sweet song. I will clap softly to the beat.
Come on, little one. The soft moss and warm stone are waiting for you.
Oh, I found a sharp stick here. I will throw it far away safely.
Perfect. Now the nest is completely round and perfectly safe for a baby.
Let's sweep these dirty leaves away so we have a clean place to sit.
Whew. Sweeping is hard work, but the moss floor looks very clean now.
Everyone sit down carefully around the nest and wait for the magic moment.
Wow! The sky is turning orange, and the warm stone is glowing brighter.
Look closely. There is a tiny crack starting to show on the white shell.
Shh. Do not make any noise. The little dinosaur is trying to push out.
Oh my. The crack is growing bigger and bigger right across the middle.
Wow! A small piece of shell just fell onto the soft green moss. I cannot wait to see its tiny nose poking out of the hole.
Wait, why did it stop moving? Is the baby dinosaur trapped inside there?
Don't be afraid, little baby. The warm stone is here, and we are waiting. Listen, it is knocking back from the inside. It is ready to hatch.
Stand back, everyone! The egg is shaking very violently like a jumping bean.
1, 2, 3. Push your head out, little brave dinosaur. Watch out! The top of the shell is flying up into the air.
Ow! It is the cutest tiny green baby dinosaur in the whole world. Hello, little sibling. I am your big brother with a big heart. The baby is licking Dodo's nose. It loves him so much already.
Look, it is crawling out of the shell to lie on the soft moss.
Wow! It is smelling the yellow flowers we picked and smiling happily.
Ow! Now it is sleeping right next to the glowing warm sunstone.
We did a wonderful job together. The nest is perfect and very warm.
Did you hear that? Something very big and heavy is walking near us.
Oh my! Look at that giant shadow covering the entire mossy ledge.
Wow! It is the giant mother dinosaur coming back to check the nest.
Look! She is carefully smelling the soft moss and the warm yellow flowers. Ow! The mother is nudging her tiny baby with her giant soft nose.
Wow! The giant mother is bowing her head to say thank you to us.
You are welcome, Big Mom. Your babies are very safe and warm now.
I help too, because a big heart makes you super strong. The mother is giving brave Dodo a giant, sticky, wet kiss.
Look up! A magic glowing vine is dropping down from the sky for us.
All right, team. Grab the magic vine tight. It is time to go home.
Goodbye, Dodo. Remember, you are the bravest and strongest little dinosaur forever. Goodbye, magic friends. I will never forget your amazing help today. Whee! We are sliding super fast through the magic tunnel again.
Oof! We are safely back on the soft carpet in our living room.
Whew! That was an amazing adventure. Look, the book is closing now.
I am so tired, but very happy we helped the little baby dinosaur.
Wait a minute. Why is the magic book turning into a beautiful blue color?
Listen, I can hear water dripping and big waves crashing far away.
Oh my! A glowing pink seashell just fell right out of the wet pages.
Wow! Do you think we are going to dive deep into the ocean next?
Get ready for a big splashing water adventure next time. Splash!